amandla angakaNkulunkulu wethu noKristu wakhe, inkazimulo nobukhosi konke kungobakhe uNkulunkulu wethu noKristu wakhe. Njengoba uNkulunkulu esinikezile lo musa wokuphila, samandla akhe lawa simisile kulele kuyena ukuwa kwethu nokuma kwethu. Khona umhlabeleli othi amandla angawakho nobukhosi bungobakho, inkazimulo yakhe igcwele amazulu nomhlaba. Oh haleluya. Yabona-ke ngale nkathi inkazimulo kaNkulunkulu isiyehlela phezu kulaba abamdumisayo, that is where they speak in tongues, different tongues of men, and that is where you see the manifestation of the Holy Spirit within them, because they are experiencing the joy. And the book of Joel 2 verse 28 is being fulfilled, that God will pour his spirit upon all flesh, which is why you must understand ukuthi inkazimulo kaNkulunkulu iyona ekwazi ukuthi activate umuntu to do izinto. Never in a single day underestimate uNkulunkulu ophila phakathi kwakho. Ungasho ukuthi awukwazi ukwenza, ngoba uNkulunkulu uhleze nabo bonke abantu bakhe ebenza bekwazi ukwenza izinto.